In this lesson, we're going to be discussing moles, carbon-12, and Avogadro's number. So let's start with moles. What is mole? In a layman's term, or in a layman's understanding, you can say that a mole is just a counting unit. Alright, just like we have 1 dozen to be equal to 12 items, we can say that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 raised power 23 items. But instead of using moles to count the number of eggs or pencils, we use mole to count the number of atoms, the number of particles, the number of molecules, the number of ions, and then every other tiny particles. Now let's discuss carbon-12. In this carbon-12, we are going to see the scientific definition of moles. So the element carbon is used as a reference point in the definition of moles of a substance. Remember that there are different isotopes of carbon, such as carbon-12, written as like this, and then we have carbon-14. But carbon-12 is the main reference point in the definition of mole of a substance. Experiment shows that a pure sample of 12 grams of this particular of carbon-12 isotope contains 6.022 times 10 raised power 23 particles. You can call it particles or ions or molecules, and then etc. So the scientific definition of mole states that a mole of a substance is a substance that contains exactly the same amount of elementary particles, atoms, ions, or molecules that are present in 12 grams of this pure carbon-12 isotope. So let's discuss Avogadro's number. Now, Avogadro's number is this number 6.022 times 10 raised power 23. So it is simply the number of particles in 1 mole of any substance. So for example, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equals to 6.022 times 10 raised power 23 atoms. Then 1 mole of water molecules is equals to 6.022 times 10 raised power 23 molecules. Then 1 mole of electron is equal to 6.022 times 10 raised power 23 electrons. So this is the end of this video. In my next video, we're going to be solving questions on moles. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Also don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends.